So my fans, maybe make this equation dey very simple. A brass rod is 2.0 meter long. That's they don't give us. Make we start solution, no time. Watch the pattern I'll carry solve and watch reach the end because you will enjoy them. So they don't give us length. The first length they say 2.0 meter long at a certain temperature. This will not be value of temperature. They don't stay at a certain temperature. They don't give you the temperature, but they don't give you the first length, the initial length, L1 equal to 2.0 meters. Now, what is its length? It means say make you find L2, the final length. Remember the initial length na be 1 as 2.0 meters. Final length we don't know. For a temperature of 100, now for the second temperature, remember the first temperature they don't give us any value, so we could just assume say na 0. Then the second one and I can say 100. So temperature, if you use theta like this, or if you use capital letter T to represent your temperature, and they say na 100 Kelvin. So we don't need to convert because it's there for the standard unit already. And if to say na degree Celsius, if you're the reason conversion, but this one you don't need that. So if the linear expansivity of brass, so this linear expansivity, it gets value for several materials. But for this material brass, they don't give us the value. Say the linear expansivity for this brass is 18.0 times 10 to the power of -6. Remember, per Kelvin, now the unit for linear expansivity. So what you go need to do? Remember, they say make you find this L2. What is the length? What is its length for a temperature of 100? So now what you want to find? What will be the formula first? The formula now, coefficient of linear expansivity equal. Remember, say linear expansivity is the increase in length per unit length. That's increase in length per unit length. That's initial length per degree. This one na 1, subscript 1. Per degree rise in temperature. Per degree rise in temperature, like this. That be the formula. If you want to expand this formula, if you still say this particular linear expansivity equal to this delta L. Delta means change in length, meaning I will have the final length. I will get the final length minus the initial length. L2 minus L1. L2 now final one, this one the initial one, all over L1 times theta. This theta now don't need to do theta 2 minus theta 1. If you want to do like that, theta 2 na be 100 minus theta 1 na 0, they no give us. So you go still be this same 100 Kelvin. E enter be in case they give you 2 temperature now, so you go do. That's now 1 temperature now. Just hook my lever like that as change in temperature. We just carry this value substitute for this place. So you don't finish work with my fans. Waiting remain and I just to carry all these things now put inside. Remember, for linear expansivity, the value we then give now 18.0 times 10 to the power of -6 equal to this one L2. Now you define L2 minus L1 are waiting at 2. 2.0 is something as 2. Sure, no, 2.0 is something as 2 over L1 will be the same 2 times. Now you remove, since I don't use times, now remove bracket now. Theta now 100. So from here, if you solve now, first make sure say multiply this one. 2 times 100 will give you waiting 200. So what you can get? You can get 18.0 times 10 to the power of -6 equal to L2 minus 2 over 200. Make we take an up. Or yeah, don't dey low like this. So what you go do next? It's simple. Make we use the space finish am. So like this now, as I see 200, some of them I go say divide both side by this one by 1. So you can't do cross multiplication. You know, they nice. No be like that and they take solve something. What you go do here now, just to say, since you get the denominator be 200, and now the only denominator we get with that, multiply both the left and the right by 200. If you multiply both sides by 200, you make a day simple. 200 here will cancel 200 here. You can ask yourself, what will be 200 times 18 times 10 to the power of -6? And what you can use calculator now, multiply quick because you no get time to carry solve. Also, by now, don't subscribe to the channel, like the video, subscribe. As I dey point the calculator, just let the day mean now. As I dey point the calculator, just hit the like button and then hit the subscribe if you never subscribe. But just hit the like the video. Remember, say when the video finish, you go share am and drop small comment or tell me say the thing go well now. If not, no go drop another one. No. Go like for you. So 200 times 18 times 10 to the power of -6. Some people will say, "Why I no put 18.0?" Now same thing. Now, I don't tell you. So this one they give us the value where this left side they give us now 3.6 times 10 to the power of -3 equal to, yeah, we get L2 minus L2 minus 2. The next thing one they like make and they do. Remember, I don't teach you this one. Say multiply both side by 200 instead of saying cross multiply all those things. If you wish to do that one too, no problem. I know tell you say make you no do it, but I teach you the right thing, the way you're supposed to do. So this one now, remember saying that L2 they find, and normally as negative today you need come out. I want to come out now. Some people say carry negative to cross on the side. That's day nice to talk that kind of thing, make people hear. If children they die, I want make them feel. So we think we talk for this place now. Now, since now -2 and you want to remove her, wait if you remove -2 now +2. So we just say add 2 to both sides. Add 2. If I add to the right, I will still add to the left. So -2 plus 2. This one will give us 0. Maybe L2 will remain for that side. So L2 now will be equal to, you can add this answer, we get 3.6 times 10 to the power of -3 plus 2. You can give us 2.0036. If you get L2 approximately to be 2.004, what will be the unit of L2? Meters. L2 na length, so the unit na meter. You don't find the length for this particular temperature will be 100 Kelvin. Now, so the thing is simple. I hope I make it simple for you. Now, so my content they be made hard. Even this equation hard, I go simplify, I go break everything down. So sometimes, don't forget this length. If it be in centimeters, if na 2 centimeters, I beg, no use centimeters, so for convert them from centimeters to meters. If you go need video for those ones where you need conversion, put them for comment section so that I will know say you need things like that. I will find time do them for you. But if you know say you never share this video, help me share the video. Subscribe if you never subscribe, like the video, make you get plenty people to come see this thing, make it help people now. People don't disturb for physics. Me, I don't come out, I go find out. Peace and love.